Hello and welcome back to another brand new video. So my name is Evans, and today you have that photo you took probably with the hash light on the face. So this is how you edit. I'm gonna name this background like edited. So after duplicating the background, I have a copy. Then just the first thing you do, make sure you go to camera raw filter. Just make some several adjustments. Start with the highlights. Okay. Alright, so here I'm just playing with the hash light. I'm not playing with the shadows. So let's just adjust them. Yeah, you don't have to really dehaze, but dehazing brings about some change of color a bit, but it's okay. Now click OK. You can see already some difference in the photo, like yeah, but still there's some harshness. So you'll use the patch tool and just select just a piece of the hash place and then go to hue, not hue, you go to adjustments and then use curves or exposure. In this case I'm gonna go to exposure. So just reduce it a little. You don't want the face to look a little dark, because now your subject will be poorly lit. And then make sure that your brush is soft, and then just rub on the face that you want to reduce the brightness. Yeah, of course you can change the opacity of the brush. Alright, this is good. Just rub. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and merge the layers so you can see the difference between the background and the layer that we created. So make the patch again, and then just, because the shadows are very strong, then reduce them using the curve just a little. You don't want to manipulate the photo so much, so then use the brush, just rub the darker parts, only. Yeah, just like that. Okay. Alright, now you can see that the photo is uniformly lit. Well, there are normal shadows just that have to be there. And then you merge the layers, so the difference, you can see the difference, the original and the outcome. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it is helpful, and see you next time. Bye.